While mystery surrounds the hoax calls made to Attorney General Ghulam-e Vahanvati, with the caller pretending to be none other than Sonia Gandhi. The hoax calls were made to Vahanvati in early September when Sonia Gandhi was in the United States for her medical treatment. The hoax caller talked about the high-profile cases being handled by the Attorney General. Obviously, a rattled Vahanvati has come forward to inform the government, and a formal inquiry is now underway. Well, that's the latest coming in. We have been getting reactions. In fact, Times Now has the inside details of the hoax calls made to the Attorney General's office. The first hoax call was on the landline, with the caller saying that Sonia Gandhi wanted to speak to G. Vahanvati, but the AG was not in office at that time. Let's get you some of political reactions that have been coming in on this huge story.
मेरी जानकारी में तो है कि किसी अखबार में ऐसी कोई खबर छपी है, पर उसके तथ्य क्या हैं वो पूरी तरह से मेरी जानकारी में या मेरे संज्ञान में नहीं है। आपने सवाल पूछा है, मैं उन तथ्यों को अपने संज्ञान में लेकर अगर कोई प्रतिक्रिया बनती होगी सरकार की तरफ से तो जरूर आपको अवगत कराऊंगा।
किसी पीएसयू की महिला ने फोन कर अटॉर्नी जनरल को बताया है कि कोलगेट मामले की जांच में धीमी गति से काम करें।
No idea. I have no idea about such. I haven't heard such any such news. Nothing is reported about that. This may be some rumor. I don't think so.
We would certainly like to comment properly after going through the nature of his complaint. But two questions clearly arise. The learned Attorney General is talking to how many leaders in pending cases of corruption monitored by the Supreme Court? Because we heard that he visited the Law Minister earlier to vet the status report in the Colgate. Does the Attorney General routinely pick up phone of political leaders in pending matters? It is a very serious matter. Whether it was a fake call or a genuine call is a matter of investigation. But the larger issue is, Mr. Attorney General was made to depose in the 2G scam. We know it very surely. For the first time in the history of independent India, the high office of Attorney General was made to appear in a corruption case in trial, to depose. I think these are indeed very disturbing questions.